For Iste Net T3, it states model digital age work and learning, exhibit knowledge, skills, and work processes representative and innovative professional in a global and digital society. Throughout the course, I created digital products that exhibited innovation and professional knowledge and skills. I also communicated with others throughout the semester using tools in the global and digital society. Multiple assignments helped me master this standard, and they include the following. One assignment that I created was making a video on how to use VoiceThread, which is listed below. Also, I created a fair use Prezi using Prezi, and also a copyright facts in question sheet that is also listed below. Using Adobe Photoshop, I also created a video on how to trim a video. And I also created a video using Adobe InDesign to blur something in a video. Also, my multimedia presentation in Weebly was an example of how I met this standard by showing and teaching students about multimedia. Let's take a look at some of the tools that I used to meet this standard. One of them was my multimedia page, which I'm going to show now. As you can see in this page, it just goes through and it explains what multimedia is. There are also different pages that you can click on for more to go through and see the different parts of the um, page that I have. This is just an example of some of the things I talked about, different um, multimedia tools. Also, videos was embedded to talk about different tools. Um, Multimedia, it also talked about the different combination of different forms of like texts, auto, images, animations, and video as well. Also, let's take a look at some of my other things that I created. This is a video that goes over to explain how to respond in a voice thread. With that, I use that to kind of help students, and also if you were a student in the class and you didn't know how to respond in the semester, this video was created for that purpose as well. I also put a fair use doctrine in that I used through Prezi. And in that example, it just goes over and it explains what fair use is. And this was a training that I created for Head Start faculty as well. The next video goes over and talks about um, how to trim a video, how to blur face in a video. So those are just some of the ways that I met the standard. And also in the future, I plan on using this as a model for creating classes and different digital tools to show different professionals to help them to become knowledgeable about different tools.